Welcome to the tutorial on using PowerPoint. PowerPoint has changed considerably since I first began using it. There are thousands of options, so I'm going to show you the basics and leave you to play with the bells and whistles. When you open PowerPoint, this is your welcome screen. It's a standard layout, but we can choose to change our layouts up here. Click on Layout. We can have a title slide, title and content slide, etc. I'll use the title slide for the first slide and one of the others for another. I click to add a title. And click to add a subtitle. Let's add a background. Click on the rectangle tool. Hold the left mouse key down and drag. You might want to change the colour. Shape fill. Go for a lighter blue. And now I've lost my text, I need to rearrange it. So I can right click and send to back. I could also use this up here, arrange, send to back. Naturally you can change your fonts. I'll leave you to play with those. Alright, let's add a new slide. New slide. I can click to add a title. And here I have some options. I can insert a table, insert a chart, insert a graphic, a picture, clip art, media clip, or just plain text. Let's add a chart. Choose the type of chart that you want. OK. And Excel opens. So I can change my category titles. I'm going to autofill down. And my series, autofill across. So should see it changing over here. And I'm not going to change the actual data for this one today. Close that. And there's my chart and my slide. Right, let's add another slide. Home. New slide. Change my title. And this time I'm going to insert a picture. I'm going to show you the long way. Insert, picture, sample pictures, and desert. Insert. There we go. I could also use that as a background. Okay, let's add a couple of other little items to the slide and then I'll show you some of the animations we can do. So I'll put in an arrow, draw it on, change the fill color Select your colour. Change the colour of the outline. Choose your colour. We can rotate it. Let's add a star. Click where you want it to go. Again, we can change the fill colour. How about yellow? We can change the outline too. You choose. And now let's click on animations. Custom animation. And if I click on the arrow, click add effect, entrance. Let's have it fly in. Might slow that down to very slow. We can also add an effect on the star. So let's click on it. Click add effect. Motion paths. We'll draw a custom path. And we'll do a scribble. We can have it start after the previous animation, and we can change the speed. Along the top here, we can also add transitions to the slides and transition sounds. But I'll leave those for you to play with. Let's see what the other tabs do. Slideshow. You can start your slideshow from the beginning, etc. Those are kind of the basic things I wanted to show you. So let's go ahead and save it. Click on the Office button. Hover over Save As. And if you haven't finished editing it, you'll want to save it as a presentation. Saving it as a show will mean it'll play like a movie to begin with. Choose where you want to save it and save. Let's see what it looks like. We'll go from the beginning. My slide 2. And the animations. The arrow. And then the star. So you can have a lot of fun with PowerPoint. It's a very simple tutorial I've given you. But please spend the time playing with it and seeing what it can do. Good luck, everyone.